Welcome to this Invideo.io step-by-step tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create professional videos using Invideo's powerful AI tools. No editing skills required. Go to Invideo.io in your browser. Click Sign Up if you're a new user, or Sign In if you already have an account. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you get up to 32,000 characters to describe your video idea or paste your script. You'll see multiple creation options. Create short video, make explainer video, create animated film, use my script, or just type your text and hit generate video. Let's go through each one. Option 1, create short video. Click create short video. Enter your topic or idea. Choose your target platform like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Set the video length. Click Generate Video and let Invideo do the rest. Option 2, Make Explainer Video. Click Make Explainer Video. Describe your topic or product. Choose the tone, like professional, friendly, or dramatic. Pick a voice style, language, and subtitle preference. Click Generate Video. Option 3, Create Animated Film. Click Create Animated Film. Enter your story or theme. Select your audience is kids, teens, or adults. Choose platform and voiceover style. Click Create Now to generate a fully animated video. Option 4, Use My Script. Click Use My Script. Paste your own script in the text box. Select the template style, business, educational, animated, promo, or slideshow. Choose the aspect ratio, landscape, square, or portrait. Pick the voice for narration. Click Generate Video. Option 5, Type and Generate. You can also simply type your idea in the main text box on the dashboard. Then click Generate Video to let Invideo create everything for you. Once the video is generated, you're taken to the editor. Here you can edit text and change fonts, colors, or positions. Replace visuals using a large stock library. Change the AI voice or upload your own voiceover. Edit subtitles, timing, and transitions. Use the magic edit box to type commands like remove scene or change voice. Preview and export. Click Preview to watch your video.
I bet you didn't know your coffee habit could help your health. Seriously. That cup of joe is packing more than just caffeine. First up, coffee is full of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants like tiny superheroes protecting your cells from damage.
Make any final adjustments, then click Export. Choose the video resolution, such as 720p or 1080p. Wait for the video to render. Finally, click Download to save your video. That's it. You've now created a complete AI-powered video using Invideo.io. Perfect for social media, marketing, education, and more.
I bet you didn't know your coffee habit could help your health. Seriously. That cup of joe is packing more than just caffeine. First up, coffee is full of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants like tiny superheroes protecting your cells from damage. Coffee is actually the biggest source of antioxidants for many people. Next, coffee can boost your mood and help you feel alert. That's not just in your head. Caffeine helps your brain fire on all cylinders. Plus, studies show that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of diseases like type 2 diabetes and even some heart problems. And get this, your coffee habit might even help you live longer. Of course, don't chug a gallon a day. But 1 or 2 cups? Go ahead and sip with a smile because your morning brew is doing more than just waking you up. It's giving your health a boost. Cheers to coffee.